Every morning at exactly 8 a.m., a stray dog sits at the same bus stop. Cars rush by, people hurry to work, but the dog never moves. He doesn't beg for food. He doesn't chase anyone. He only watches one thing: every bus that stops here. When the doors open, his tail starts wagging, like he's expecting someone. But every time the bus leaves, his tail slowly drops. One day, a man asked the shopkeeper, "Why does this dog come here every single day?" To discover the heartbreaking truth, subscribe and watch part 2.